Hello and welcome to the walking talking topic on area and perimeter, question number 7 with me, Mr. Barton. Now, for our last question in this series, we're going to finish with something a little bit weird, but still good. Let's have a look. The Earth is approximately spherical. Don't know what happened there. So there's a lovely picture of the Earth. The radius of the Earth is 6,378.1 kilometers. Let's just get that marked on there. So that is 6,378.1 kilometers. Calculate the circumference of the Earth, giving your answer in standard form, flipping heck, correct to 3 significant figures. Geez, loads of skills going on there, but we can't do any of them until we know what the circumference of this Earth is. So what's my formula for circumference? Circumference is equal to pi times by my diameter. So pi, fine, and my diameter is going to be twice my radius. So if my radius is 6378.1, then my diameter is going to be 2 lots of that. Let's turn to my calculator. 6,378.1 times it by 2. Press my little SD button and I'm getting 12,756.2 kilometers. Okay, so pi times by that, so 12,756.2. Okay, so let's times this answer in my calculator by pi, times by shift, and there's my pi there, equals, press my little SD button, flipping heck, 40,000, you've got to be really careful with your right amount of zeros here, 0.784 da 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 da. But it wants it in standard form, correct to 3 significant figures. So, standard form is going to require one number that at the start that is between 1 and 10, so I'll go for me 4, and it wants it to 3 significant figures. So let's have a look here. I've got my 4 as my first significant figure, there's my second significant figure, and that 0 is my third significant figure. I like to put a box around when I find my significant figure I'm interested in. Look at the number to the right of it. That is 5 or above, so I need to add 1 on to that. So I think I'm getting 4.01, that's my 40, and that 0 becomes a 1, times by 10 to the flipping heck. Right, so if my dot was there, and I've got it, so it was there, and I've got to get it to here, then I've gone 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000 bigger. I've gone 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, 4 place. So I think I'm going to end up with 4.01 times 10 to the 4, and my units are going to be kilometres. Flipping out, that wasn't the easiest question I've ever seen in my life. What on earth is part B going to have? Well, let's have a look. Total surface area of the Earth is approximately 5.112 times 8 square kilometres, so that's surface area. Oceans cover approximately an area of that, square kilometres, and the remainder of the surface area is covered by land. Calculate the area of the Earth covered by land, giving your answer in standard form. Well, that's not actually the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. Total surface area is that. Oceans take up that. The rest is covered by land. So the bit that's covered by land, surely it's just got to be the difference between those two things. Well, that's not too bad, right? So land is going to be equal to 5.112 times 10 to the 8. Take away 3.618 times 10 to the 8. And I'll tell you the nice bit about this particular question. Because my powers are the same there, then I can just actually do that, subtract that to get my answer, instead of having to bang it all into the calculator and convert forward and convert backwards. So this actually has been very nice to us at the end here. So I'm just going to do 5.112, take away 3.618, bang that into the calculator, press my equals, press my little SD button, and I get 1.494 times by 10 to the 8 kilometres squared. Well, that wasn't too bad at all. What a slight anticlimax, if anything, to finish our voyage through the wonderful world of area and perimeter.